Cisco wireless architectures. 3 blueprints for your wireless city. 1. Autonomous access points APS. Each AP works independently and manages its own wireless network. Good for small stores or places that don't need many APS. 2. Split MAC unified with wireless LAN controller WLC. APs connect to a central controller WLC, which handles all network traffic, used by big companies for better management and scaling. Cloud management Meraki. APs are controlled throughout the internet without a physical controller. Perfect for businesses with multiple locations or easy remote management. Simple analogy. Autonomous APs, each worker does their own thing. WLC management APs, one manager oversees all workers. But in cloud managed APs, a manager controls everything remotely via the internet. Key terms. CAPWAP, a protocol for WLC AP communication, sleep tunneling for that data control. Lightweight AP, dump AP offloading processing to WLC. And your image here. That is WLC, CAPWAP, H12, AP. Okay. AP modes. Cisco AP can transform. 1. Local. Default mode for Wi-Fi coverage, like offices, schools. 2. FlexConnect. Works with WLC, branch with bad WAN. 3. Monitor. Detects rogue APs, which high security areas, or for high security areas. Sniffer. Captures packets for troubleshooting issues. 5. Bridge. Connects to network wirelessly, building to building links. Number 6. CConnect. Finds interference. Microwaves, wireless cameras. Here is a pro tip. FlexConnect APs are like superheroes with backup powers. They work even when the mothership, which is WLC, is offline. Split MAC deep dive. Nowhere. Split MAC deep dive. How it works. WLC, which is brain, handles authentication, QoS, roaming. AP Brown manage RF, which is radio frequency transmission, frame forwarding. Traffic flow types, centralized client for AP and WLC. After that, network with high control. FlexConnect, client after that AP, after that local switch. One saving. Why split MAC? 1. Scalability. Thousands of APs. 2. Consonant policies across the network. 3. Seamless roaming, like cell towers. Here's it. Okay. Meraki Cloud. Cloud management managed magic. 1. Dashboard. A single interface for managing multiple global sites. 2. AutoRF. Uses AI to automatically adjust wireless channels and power every hour. 3. VPN-less remote AP. Allows employees to experience HQ-like Wi-Fi at home without needing a VPN. Okay, if I accept this image also, which is user management data segregation. Here's a Meraki Cloud. Cloud magic. Okay. Internet, web servers here. And file servers. Here is user data. Modem, after that ISP. Here is file server, internet, web server, and above all, Meraki Cloud.